Okay, welcome students. Today we shall study nervous system part 5. Central nervous system. What is central nervous system? It is highly developed, weighs around 1.4 kg and is 1500 centimeter cube in volume. The CNS, formed of 100 billion neurons. You can see how enormous number of neurons are there. 100 billion. Protected by a bony case called cranium. How it is protected? Our brain is protected by a bony case called cranium, a box of bone, okay, cranium. Then it has meninges. These are three protective membranes separated by cerebrospinal fluid, okay. Dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. Outer tough fibrous membrane is known as dura mater. See, have a look. Dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. Outer tough is fibrous membrane is known as dura mater. Then we have arachnoid and then we have pia mater, inner thin and vascular membrane. Okay, these are the meninges that protect our brain. Then we have cerebrospinal fluid. This cerebrospinal fluid, the space between meninges and brain cavities, ventricles is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. Alright, functions are, what are the functions? Maintains constant pressure, protects the brain obviously, and helps in exchange of nutrients and waste products. Alright, it also helps in exchange of nutrients and waste products, and it maintains constant pressure. Three major functions of cerebrospinal fluid. Now we have the brain matter. Matter further divided into grey matter and white matter. Grey matter is the surface layer of brain formed of cell bodies of neurons. We have studied about neurons, axon, cyton, the cell body, everything we have studied in the previous parts. So just go and have a look if you have forgotten about it. And then we have the white matter that lies on the inner side of formed of white myelinated nerve fibers. Myelin sheath जिसमें होती है is known as myelinated nerve fibers. All right. Now divisions of the brain. The brain is further divided into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay. Forebrain has cerebrum. The largest part is cerebrum, which is highly developed. Then it covers all the other parts, formed of two cerebral hemispheres, right and left, and separated by deep median longitudinal grooves called cerebral fissure. Alright, separated by deep median longitudinal grooves known as cerebral fissure. Then we have diencephalon. Diencephalon is further divided into thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus serves as a relay center for sensory and motor impulses, okay, from spinal cord and medulla to various parts of the cerebrum. This brings us to the end of this part 5. Keep learning, stay curious. Part 6 also I have uploaded, okay. So you can just find it and study from it, from this and from your textbooks. Thank you, children.